Come on into my kitchen. I'm going to be making this boxed mix. It's a sweetened potato pancake, and it's Jewish. So it's a Jewish sweetened potato pancakes that's made by this company that's been around since 1888, you guys. Oh yeah, this is the box right here. I got it on clearance at Publix for just $1.39. We're going to try it out. I've never had it before, but it's got some awesome benefits. It's even good for vegetarians, you guys. And I'm going to follow as per the box and get everything mixed up. We're going to first start off with 1.25 cups of water, cold water, 2 eggs. We're going to take and mix those up in a bowl. We're going to add the entire package, and it's supposed to make about 7 or more little pancakes. So we're going to try it out, and we're going to fry it in some vegetable oil. It says about 1/8 of an inch in the pan. And we're going to have us some breakfast, y'all. So join us when we get ready to do our mukbang at PromoSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. PromoSTK, eating good in the neighborhood, y'all. That's what we're going to mukbang this, and you're going to be able to tell and see if we enjoyed it. Because, again, it was my first time finding this item, and we want to try it out. And if you guys are familiar with that brand, with that name brand, and if you're familiar with making Jewish pancakes, y'all, come on. Hit us in the comment section below. Let us know. All right. And don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. And where my oh yeah baby's at? Oh yeah, baby. Once everything is mixed up, we got to let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. And look at this, you guys. Look at that texture. It's almost like a paste. But this is how we're going to put it in the skillet. So let's go on over to the stove and see how this fries up. Oh, yeah. All right, so now they're done. I've done the last one. They're done frying. And look at you guys. Look at this. Now the real taste test is going to come when we put them to the table. That's PromoSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Let's see eating good in the neighborhood. Oh, yeah, because this is what we're going to be eating, y'all. So come on and join us over. PromoSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Oh, yeah. Well, we're going to look. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, yeah, baby.